David Beckam is a former English professional footballer born on May 2, 1975 in London. He is currently the president and co-owner of Inter Miami CF. Beckham's football career spanned over 2 decades, during which he played for several top-tier clubs, including Manchester United, Real Madrid, and LA Galaxy. His exceptional skills on the field, particularly his precision passing and free kick expertise, made him a fan favorite worldwide. Beckham's impressive football career was marked by numerous achievements, including winning 19 major trophies, such as the Premier League, La Liga, and MLS Cup. He made history as the first English player to win league titles in 4 different countries. Beckham also had a distinguished international career, earning 115 caps for the English national team. He represented England at 3 FIFA World Cups and 2 UEFA European Championships. Off the pitch, Beckham is married to Victoria Beckham, a former Spice Girls member, and they have 4 children together. He is also a dedicated philanthropist, serving as a UNICEF ambassador. Beckham's contributions to football were recognized with his induction into the English Football Hall of Fame. Throughout his career, Beckham has been recognized for his style and fashion sense, making him a global icon both on and off the field.